State Archaeological Park. I think I got that right, guys. There's some hiking trails and some waterfalls, and the leaves are beautiful. And there's a campground, a museum, this really cool bridge. It's one lane, so I'm gonna have to wait for this truck to come. And there's a lake. Really cool. I came here the other day, so I'm coming back today because it's sunny. It was rainy the other day. So it's sunny today. I'm going to go on the trails and hopefully capture some beautiful pictures of the waterfalls. I did get some the other day, but it was cloudy. So yeah, let this guy pass and then we'll go. Maybe you'll be able to see the water as I drive across. Hopefully you can see some of it. This is really cool. Looks like there's a lot of people here today. There was no one. Well, there was a couple people here the other day. The campground's up here, so I'm not sure where to park to go to the trails. I did not see a parking area up here the other day. So I'm going to need to go in and check it out. Oh my gosh, look at this dog. How adorable. Oh my goodness. So cute and fluffy. Alright, I'm going to go in up here and check it out and see where to park to go on these trails. And I will catch up with you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm on this hike at Old Fort Stone Archaeological State Park here in Tennessee. This woods has so many deer in it, it's crazy. Yeah, it's a little chilly because it's still morning time, so I have my coat on. But I have ran across so many deer. They're a little spooked, but not that much. So I'll put some footage in here of it. And I'm going to go on the trail where the waterfalls are at again. I was here the other day, but it was cloudy. And as you can see, the sun is out today. So I'm hoping to get some awesome shots of those waterfalls. So I'll catch up with you guys later. There's deer up here. Oh my gosh, they're not running. So cool. Can you guys see them? Oh my gosh, I'm so close to them. How cool. Look at this deer. It's just sitting there. It's a buck. It's a baby buck. I'm like so close to it. This was an ancient Indian enclosure, wall, building. I'm not sure. I'll research it and post. It's crazy to be standing in here. It's what's left of it. Okay guys, so I just got back from walking the trails at the state park. If I didn't mention before, it is free to get in, and the waterfalls are absolutely gorgeous, and with the backdrop of these fall colors, astonishing. It was absolutely beautiful. I started out seeing all these deer. I don't know what happened to most of my footage of that, but I did capture some of it that I included in the video. But throughout the walk, throughout the hike, I got stopped a few times and asked if I could take pictures of couples or their groups, and that's fine. But then I started getting kind of depressed because I'm like, I really, really, really want to share this adventure with someone special. Yes, I'm on a quest to figure out what I want in life without my children, but I do know I don't want to be lonely. There's a difference between being alone and being lonely. Don't get me wrong, I am an introvert. If I'm around people, I get drained. I need to be alone and have my alone time to recharge. So I like alone time. I don't like being lonely. Yeah. I want to experience life and share all these special things with someone. I see couples working together at Amazon, these couples at these parks, and I'm like, oh, God, I would love to have that. So if you have it, cherish it and work hard at keeping it. Listen to me giving advice. Duh. Here I am alone. But anyway, it got me thinking, being new to this way of life on the road, I'm like, how am I going to meet someone? Because I meet someone like normal. They're going to be like, you live in your vehicle? And I'm going to be like, yeah. So how's that going to work out? And then, yeah, meeting someone on the road, they may be on a different path than what you are. And trying to grow something that way can be challenging as well. Then you have to meet someone that's actually compatible and has similar interests and things like that. And then if you do and they're going separate ways, how do you grow on that? So, I don't know. Toward the end of my hike, I really started getting depressed. But anyway, I'm going to try not to think about it and just be positive and hold faith that I will find someone to share these wonderful adventures with, because I don't want to share them alone. I mean, it's nice to go on these hikes alone and have some time to reflect and think on life, but it'd be also nice to share that with someone. So anyway, I'm done rambling again. I did enjoy the park. It was free, beautiful, beautiful waterfalls, and yeah. So if you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel, select the all button so you'll get notifications of when I release a new video. Also, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any comments on it, or comments of what you would like to see in the future, or any questions for me, go ahead and drop those in the comments below, and I will try to get back with you. I thank you all for who subscribed and for who watches my videos, and I will talk at you guys later.